Hi, and welcome to Albert Ashton, the technologist. How are you doing today? So, I'm upgrading the studio computer with another hard drive because I'm doing more production in here than on the main computer. I mean, I can do it on here too. I mean, it's just as powerful as the main computer. So, gonna get down here. Cheers. So I'm gonna put one of these in. These are Silicon Graphic. This is a 256. I got them before the pandemic went out of control and everything went up in price. So I got I think about six of these because I had a whole bunch of machines. So I took them out of the machines that don't work no more. Well, don't function more. I use a specialty. These are I use Walmart sells this. I'm not promoting them, but I'm just saying if you need. This is called electric repair kit tool. So this has all the different sockets and everything you would need to fix phones and knickknacks. Well, and computers too. So this is an HP, and they use a proprietary screw. So it's the socket here, which is, I think that is a TRS. No, TR15 3.5. I guess that's what it is. A lot of jobs require you to have multi-socket sets and everything today. So it's good to have a good list of things. And this is an Black & Decker 20-volt lithium battery. This is their battery, but you can get generic ones that last much longer. This will last 11 hours on a full charge. Okay, so I have a 256 in there already from Silicon. I took out the original hard drive, and this is the way I came up with an idea to mount it so it stays in place. So I'm going to put this goes on to the I took this out of another computer because I didn't think I had any extra. Normally I disconnect the CD-ROM or the DVD player because I really don't use it anymore. And the power ribbon cable. This is the interface cable. Snaps in like that. So this is from your power supply, and this goes on to the motherboard. Well, you can't screw up on this because it has a notch and it tells you which way to go. Okay, it's in. But this cable is short, so I might have to go this way with this. Mount it like that. Well, there's no way to mount it. I mean, I can mount screws in there, but it still fit flush because they're both the same way, as you can see. As long as they don't move around, that's the whole point. It'd be better if I go like this, so it'd be more flusher. See? I mean, I could use some. I could tape it in there, but it'll stay in there. So that's about it. That's the way that be mounted in there. Hope you can see that. So that's basically what you're looking at. That's the only way it's gonna work anyway. Oh, I don't know if you can see this is for one of the projects they give us is Windows 10 floor walker shirts. So I have a whole bunch of them. Well, they're for when we do like second day support. So you do the major deployment. Everybody wears it. You know, the leads, you know, technicians. Everybody has the same thing. It doesn't matter, you know, it doesn't stand out. flush, so that works perfectly. See? It fits perfectly. Boom, it's in. See? Well, I used to build PCs. I mean, I still can do it. I mean, it's not that hard. And I use a break fix and repair laptops. And so sometimes we used to have contests. See who can put the motherboards in faster. And Dell's had a problem with graphics. And the only way it was cheaper just to replace the motherboard. So we did like hundreds and hundreds of things. Because I was at a campus where you had 5,000 computers and more. Alright, alright. So this wire, USB, goes to the keyboard. The keyboard is a MIDI controller. So, and this one goes to the mixer. Instead of mounting it in the front like I was doing it. Then I have a laptop. I got, listen to this. Most of the vendors, if they give them a bad rating, they say, why? Well, your device is not working. It's true. I'm not going to lie, the device is not working. So they want me to change the post. And I told them, I'm not going to change the post just because you want me to change the post. You know, if they send me something decent, which they did, they sent me the top of the line fan, cooling fan. It still makes noise too, by the way. So I don't know which vendor it is. They send me an email saying, we're willing to send you a new one. We want you to be happy. And I also want you to change the post. I don't mind them sending. But, you know, I'm still going to check. I'm going to make sure it's, you know, it's something decent. I'm not going to, you know, lie. All right. Yeah, they charge $30 for that one. It's a big fan. It's like one gigantic fan. I still think the ones they sell at Walmart were the best. They had the ONN. They don't make it anymore like they used to. Those were easy to fix. This is the slides in. Yeah, this is AMD. This is an A4. This is a 2.8 dual core gigahertz. You can overclock this to 3.2 is the max. So it has 4 cores on the GPU. So it's not bad, I mean. But I maxed out the RAM already. It's only, I can handle 8 gig of RAM. So this is a Pioneer receiver. I would use this for extraordinary or like extra. Well, this can handle surround sound. But I don't use it for that. I was using it for reduction. Actually, I need to get another bracket for this. This is a mini rack. You can use this mini rack to put a server. If it'll fit, it'll fit because they're all like the same. Or a router and a switch. That's what I have in the main. So I have 2 of these in the house. One for the network and one for this. Order rack. Then I have this. This is from them, PLN. This is a power conditioner. So this actually takes care of everything. It cleans out the line. They're good to have. I have them all throughout the house. I grabbed every one that Walmart had. I know Amazon had them too, but for some reason Walmart had them cheaper. And there was free shipping and all that stuff. Alright, let's see. Okay, let's plug it back in. I think something else plugs. Oh yeah. Now the cooling fan for this. This is the mixers and sound. It's a sound interface and a recording interface. So it has built-in audio and built-in recording. So it can, when you connect it to the computer, you don't use the computer soundboard. This is the soundboard and everything. It's stereo. Put that into there like that. Wire is short. There's not much I can do about that. Yeah, and that's about it. Yeah, I got this. These computers were cheap. I got them in 2012 from Staples. They were like, back then we can use coupons and stack them on some crazy deals. Actually, I had bought 2 computers. Was this 3 computers? 3 desktops. I should have kept the other one. I don't know why I took it back. There was only one. The one that got in there. The one I got in the other room there. 32 gig of RAM. Had USB 3.0. This doesn't have 3.0 in this. I mean, I could get a expansion card for it, but yeah. All right. See how it boots up. Oh, it boots up into the right drive. Okay, good. It boots up into well, let's hope it boots up into Windows 11 and not boot into Windows 10. All right, let me get up. I can't sit here and it's fine. Well, if any of you want to get into making your own music, play guitar. Okay, I got Windows 11 come up. Good, that's great. And you want to play your own music and, really get fancy, this is the way to go. I mean, because the computer can do a lot of things, just not for playing games and business and all that stuff. You can do music production.